Are your clothes taking forever to dry? Or maybe your lint screen isn't catching as much lint as it used to. Well, you might have an airflow problem. I'm Dustin with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to check the Lint Screen Foam Seal in your Whirlpool dryer. This also applies to some other great Whirlpool manufactured brands such as Kenmore, Maytag, Amana, and more. So come along. I promise it's sealy easy. If you need to purchase a new seal for your lint screen chute on your Whirlpool dryer, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved, genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. Between the back wall of the dryer and the lint screen is an egg-shaped vent that's filled with small holes. This vent is responsible for pulling air in from the dryer's drum through the lint screen and out the back of the dryer through the exhaust vent. To aid in proper airflow, this foam seal assures that the drying cycle is as efficient as possible. This seal can break down and degrade over time, causing the dryer to lose suction and take longer to dry your clothes. Tools needed for this repair: 1/4-inch nut driver, Phillips head screwdriver, putty knife, your favorite adhesive remover, and rag. Before working on any appliance, please remember to disconnect it from the power. Before you move the dryer, please disconnect the dryer vent hose in the rear of the machine. Before going to the back of the dryer, first pull the lint screen out and remove the 2 Phillips head screws from the top of the dryer. This is a great time to inspect the lint screen to be sure it's not damaged. If there are any rips, tears, or holes, use your dryer's model number to find the correct replacement part on partsdoctor.com. On the rear of the dryer, use a nut driver to remove the 1/4-inch hex head screw holding in the terminal cover plate. Next, remove all the 1/4-inch screws holding the cover panel to the back of the dryer. Carefully remove the back panel and set it aside. The large metal housing on the left side of the dryer is the lint chute assembly. This is where the lint screen filters the air before it leaves the dryer via the exhaust vent. Locate the 4 1/4-inch screws holding the base of the lint chute to the blower housing. Remove all 4 of these screws and the lint chute will be free from the dryer. Slightly lift the lint chute so the bottom clears the small lip on the base of the dryer and guide the chute out. You may have to tilt the dryer forward to remove the chute. This is a great time to clean out the lint chute, blower housing, and blower wheel of any lint or debris that may have slipped past your lint filter. With the lint chute removed, you can see the 2 foam seals. Inspect them and look for any deterioration, gaps, or damage. If the lower seal on the blower housing is damaged, it should be replaced. These 2 seals are different sizes and are not interchangeable. See the description below for a link to a video on how to replace the lower blower housing seal. In this video, we are going to replace the upper seal around the lint screen chute. Using a putty knife, peel off any remaining seal material around the vent. Using your favorite adhesive remover and a rag, remove as much adhesive material as possible. You will need a clean and smooth surface to assure the foam strip can make a good seal. Some adhesive removers may leave behind a residue. Be sure to clean that off before you start your installation. If you need to purchase a new lint screen seal, make sure you get a manufacturer certified replacement part like the ones that we saw on our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. Use the model number from the tag on your dryer to be sure you're getting the correct part. To install your new foam seal around the lint screen vent, make sure that the surface is clean, smooth, and dry. Before you expose the adhesive backing, test fit the seal as a practice installation run. Once you're ready to install, peel back a small section of the backing paper. Start installing the foam seal where the back panel begins to protrude out for the vent. Using your fingers to firmly apply the seal to the surface of the panel as you work slowly around the vent. Slowly and carefully work the seal around the vent while gradually exposing the adhesive backing as you go. Once you go all the way around, continue moving around the start of the foam seal so there is not a gap between the beginning and the end of the seal. Carefully slide the top of the lint chute assembly back into the dryer's cabinet. You may have to tilt the dryer forward to angle the chute in. Slightly lift the back of the lint chute to clear the lip at the base of the dryer's cabinet. Be sure the openings in the lint chute align with the blower housing and lint screen vent, and reinstall the 4 hex head screws in the base of the chute. On top of the dryer, align the lint chute with the 2 screw holes in the top panel and reinstall the 2 Phillips head screws. Be careful not to drop the screws down into the opening. Slide the lint screen back into the lint chute and ensure a proper fit. Reattach the dryer's back panel by screwing in the 1/4 inch hex screws, followed by the single fastener at the top of the terminal cover. Reconnect your exhaust vent and plug in your appliance. Checking and changing your seals in your dryer should help with the air movement. Proper air movement is crucial to your dryer's performance and efficiency. I hope this video helps you out. Once again, I'm Dustin with Parts Doctor, and until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.